Worried about keeping your crypto safe on Metamask? The best way is to connect it with a Ledger hardware wallet. Let's break it down. First, update your Ledger Nano firmware using Ledger Live and install the Ethereum app on your device. Then, open Metamask, go to Settings, and select and connect hardware wallet. Choose Ledger, plug in your device, and confirm the connection. MetaMask will now generate wallet addresses directly from your Ledger, meaning your private keys never leave the hardware wallet. From here, whenever you send crypto or interact with DeFi apps, you'll have to physically approve each transaction on your Ledger device. This adds a powerful extra layer of protection against hacks and phishing. And that's it. By pairing MetaMask with your Ledger, your assets stay locked behind hardware level security. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this.